So you guys, we are outside and it is a beautiful fall morning. Yeah, my coffee we just made. Y'all, I'm very, very in tune with this journey that I am taking with God and just following His lead. Like nature is just naturing. Like right now, I just love it. Listening to the birds and them singing their songs, and the sun is like coming up and it's so beautiful. How can you complain when you get up? I don't get how people can complain when they get up instead of just saying thank you, God, for giving me another opportunity at life, another chance at life, just another advantage to be in life. Yes, the mosquitoes are mosquitoing, but it is wonderful. Flowers, it's windy, but it's not too windy. It's just right. And it is fall, you guys. It is feeling amazing. And I thank God every day that I can roll over on the right side of the bed, because we know that left side of the bed is left. But whenever you are rolling on that right side of the bed, you know that your morning is going to be amazing. And if you roll over on the left side of the bed, that might just be where you sleep on the left side. Still, just thank God for waking you up and making you mobile, to where you can get up out of that bed and have a positive day. Have a positive, blessed day. Can I tell you, this coffee is good? It's good, and I'm just a little bit, under about my lavender coffee creamer, but I'm gonna try to make my own little DIY coffee creamer. Anyway, I'm gonna continue drinking my coffee. I made a little bit more than usual. I tried to have this is my first time actually drinking out of this coffee container. But I think my goal is to just drink half a cup, even though my calories are supposed to go up, like drinks and stuff like that. I'm supposed to drink more water. But yeah, I feel like this cup is so warm. It's so warm and it goes with our our fall today. Like our day. I know my day is gonna go good when I have a sip of coffee. I know this. I know my day is gonna go well. And your day can go well whether you're drinking water, you're starting off drinking water, tea, milk, um, coffee, iced coffee, cocoa. I can keep going on and on. Whatever sports drinks, whatever you wake up and start your day off with, your day is going to be amazing. Amazing. If you let your day be amazing. If you let your day be a blobby kind of day, then that's what your day is going to be. But yeah, let's get into the video, okay? So y'all, I came in and y'all, I really just love the outside and just being outside. If I can go on like a little trail walk, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to share it with you guys because I am actually planning on going on a little trail walk. And I cannot wait to share with you guys. But anyways, mom wanted me to go back outside with her and clean up on the porch. So that's what we're gonna do. Matter of fact, right now. And Shantae, thank you so much for saying you love my hair in the comment section on my last video. That made my day and it made me feel so good. If y'all know, her name is Shantae and she has her own YouTube channel, which is Leveling Up with the Mac Earns. So definitely go over there and give her some support. Tell her your girl Andrea, keeping it minimal, sent you over there. She does a lot of different kind of content, and girl, when I tell you this girl does bomb makeup, y'all better go over there if y'all into makeup and stuff like that. And she has my beautiful nieces. January, I cannot wait, y'all. I cannot wait. You just have to, watch her channel and see what I'm saying, because in January, something's going to pop off, something's going to happen, and I'm praying, and I know God is going to bless their family plus one more. So I'm going to go outside and do the porch and stuff like that. And then, yes, girl, I've been trying to figure out like different hairstyles for myself. I'm getting a little tired of the short do, and I kind of want to do something different. And yeah, so I'm looking to do something different for this fall with my short style. And yeah, just overall want to feel good for the fall, and look apart for the fall. But anyways, thank you sis so much for the good compliment. It actually really made my day. And so yeah, let's just get on outside. Show the product you're using, mama. Okay, you want to share your shirt? Mama got her gloves on and I got my gloves on too, but I'm just doing a little bit of filming. The stuff that she used that we showed you was the Formula 236. Mama, how you say it? Treach Oside. But is it for like insects or something like that, mama? Y'all, my mama normally be in these videos talking. That she won't say nothing. And that she don't want to, she won't say nothing.
So me and my sister had like recently went to Burlington and we saw this stuff and we got it from mom. But I'm not sure what, like my sister knew what it was for, but I didn't know it was for. And I wish I had knew what it was for when she got it. But mama, I see, look at that towel. Mama, show the towel. Look at all that, like that gunk that's coming up off the table. So we can come out and sit and have coffee and tea and stuff. But mama, you know what it's for? Mama. Mama. Y'all, now she acted up. So basically, I'm just gonna say it's for cleaning, like your porch stuff, your plant pots, your tables, whatever you have outside on your balcony, patio. If you have your own porch, it definitely cleans and dust off stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably stop filming this portion and help my mom out. But yeah, my mom, if y'all didn't know, she love. I'm trying not to get her face in it, but she loves flowers and things. Earlier, I was standing over there, so now she talking. She said, if y'all got some plants, y'all send her some, okay? Now, if y'all got some extra plants laying around and y'all don't need them, and y'all, especially those cutting pieces where y'all cutting them off and throwing them away, nah. My mama, she is a certified green thumb. She can make any flower come out, okay? So, Mama Lindsay said, if y'all got any flowers, any flowers laying around, baby. But anyway, let me go ahead and help Mother Dia. Y'all, so we were just having some technical issues. As you can see, those bloopers. Phone just blooped right on the floor, on the ground. So Mama got some soap and water too as well. I think that little spray, you're supposed to wash it off after it sit for a little while. She got the branch basis. Y'all see me use this too. Plant mineral base, the concentrate. So basically this is all natural and safe. You can use this for washing. You can use it for cleaning. When I tell you this stuff is good, y'all, it's good. A little pricey, but it's worth the money. But that's what Mom got. She got some hot water and, well, lukewarm water. And she's just kind of washing off everything. And, yeah, your furniture is going to be swiftly clean. Is that a word, Swift? Not Taylor Swift, but Swifty. Anywho.